Is your Salesforce fiscal year stuck on January, but your company starts in July? Here is how to fix it in under 2 minutes. This is one of those settings that a lot of people don't even know exists, but once you find it, it completely changes how your reports and dashboards line up with your actual business schedule. No more manual workarounds. No more explaining to your boss why the numbers look off. Let's get your fiscal year working for you, not against you. So here's the plan. We will navigate to the fiscal year settings, change the start month, acknowledge the warning, and save. That is it. Let's go. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. That is your setup menu. It opens a drop-down that gives you access to a lot of the behind-the-scenes settings that most users never touch, and this is exactly where we need to be to make this change. Just click that gear icon. Now, from that quick settings menu, find and click Fiscal Year. It might be down near the bottom of that list, depending on how your org is configured. But once you spot it, go ahead and click it. This opens up the page where all of your fiscal year configurations live. And here's the thing. This is one of those settings I have tested many times across different orgs, and it is surprisingly straightforward once you know exactly where to look. All right, now locate the Fiscal Year Start Month dropdown. It should be right there on the page, pretty clearly labeled. This is the setting that controls everything. It tells Salesforce what month your company considers the beginning of its financial year. By default, Salesforce assumes you run on a calendar year starting in January, but most companies do not operate that way. So this is where we fix it. Click the drop-down and choose your company's actual fiscal start month. Maybe it is July, like in our example, or maybe it is October or April or September. Every business is different. Just pick the month that matches when your company's fiscal year actually begins. In my experience, getting this right is the single biggest step toward accurate reporting, because everything else, your quarters, your periods, your fiscal year comparisons, all flows from this one choice. Now, pay attention to this next part, because it is the step that trips people up. A warning will appear on the screen when you change that month. Salesforce is basically saying, hey, if you change this, it is going to affect all of your existing historical data. And that is a real thing. It means your past reports might look different because the fiscal year boundaries have shifted. So read that warning. Make sure you understand what is happening. Then check the acknowledgement box to confirm you are good with it. Finally, click Save to apply the change. And that is it. Seriously, 2 minutes. Your Salesforce instance now recognizes your company's real fiscal year start month. Your reports will align, your quarters will make sense, and you can stop doing all those manual adjustments every time you run a report. So the next time your team asks why the numbers do not match, you can smile and say, I already fixed that.